Good evening, students. So once again, I'm going to start up with my next lab program, that is with the third program, okay, from our web internet programming, okay. So before that, let me share you my screen. I hope it's visible. Okay, okay, yeah. So our next lab program is design and develop a XHTML document that includes JavaScript to create stack of images such that images appear one top on of the another, okay, with the images slightly visible. Okay, whenever cursor is placed on an image, the image should be completely visible, and on moving cursor out, image should go back to the original position. Okay, so here we are going to use our Z index, okay, concept which we have studied in our web technology. That is, there will be three images inserted into this program, okay, wherein whenever our mouse is going to be moved onto any particular image, okay, it is going to display that image, okay, and the rest, the remaining another two images will be covering in terms of background during whenever we are going to take our mouse on one particular image. So here again we have our head, HTML head, and our body part, okay, where again where of top of one we are going to give it as P1, okay, and where of new top we have just kept it as it is, okay. So here function to top of new top we are going to create, okay, where the document dot new, that is document dot get element by id of new top dot style we are going to introduce, okay. So document of new Z index is going to be, first one is 0 to 10, that is from the top 0 pixel to our direction, that is 10 pixel it is going to be covering, okay. Then top of new top, and we are going to close this function, okay. Then function to original, that is document dot get element by id p1, the dot of style Z index is going to be 0. Again similarly p2 image also its index is going to be 0. Then p3 image, again its Z index is going to be 0. That is that will be our original function, that is before we at the initial stage they all are going to be in terms of Z index, that is going to be 0, okay. So one is, we are, as we are seeing here, two functions we are going to introduce, that is one is the original function, and the another one is the new top position function, okay. So here in the script, what then we are going to close the script. So in the style, how it is going to represent it, that is text bar css, okay, we are going to use. Then para 1, that is position will be absolute, that is top, it is going to begin from the screen top 0 to left 0, okay, it is going to begin, and Z index is going to be 0, and color is going to be, the outside color will be blue, okay, which I'll be just showing in some time in our output, okay. And the border style is going to be solid, that is thick solid, okay, border we are going to have, and background is going to be ivory. And similarly para 2, we are the that is the second image, okay, that is p2 is going to be on the position absolute, okay. But the p2 position, that is second image, here we are not keeping it from top left to what top 0 to left 0, we are going to start its position little bit moving ahead, that is its top is going to be 25 pixel beginning, and left is going to be 50 pixel beginning, and again Z index is going to be 0, and it is going to be highlighted with the outer line with the color of red, okay. And similarly here also the border style is going to be solid and ivory background, okay. Then similarly para 3, that is the third image, again it is going to be absolute, but again to make the differentiation of all these three images, we are going to keep the index of all the three 0, but the first image is going to begin from top 0 to left 0, the second image is going to begin from 25 pixel to 50 pixel, okay, at the left, whereas the third, okay, image which is going to be our back para 3 P3 image is going to be from top 50 to left 90, it is going to begin, okay. And again it's going to be in Z index with 0 and solid, and background is going to be ivory, okay. So here we have given here three what image sources. Okay, as we all know that if we want to take a image, okay, or display image onto our HTML program, first we have to mention where it is located. Okay, that is the source of that location. So here, since I have, okay, and let me show you. Here I have stored it in my D folder. Okay, and if I am want to show which folders also are there, so I'm going to give its path, that is in D folder slash, okay, followed by web folder, then again followed by bar lab programs, then in that abc.png image. Okay, and how that image is going to be appearing, its height and width, it is going to be displayed. And here class para1, in the sense when we are going to take the mouse onto that, that is mouse over, then it is going to display me para1, that is wherein our first image is going to be stored. And this para1, how it is going to be displayed, with this top 0 to left 0 it will begin, index will be 0, and its outline cover is going to be blue. Okay, I'll just show that in output very soon. So on mouse out, okay, that is on mouse over one function we have given, in that to top of p1 should come. Okay, that is this to top function we have given here, no, whichever will be our first top, that is going to be displayed. Okay, that is when I'm going to take my mouse onto that particular image, then it is going to display that image. And if my mouse is moved out, it will go back to its original position, that is first position, which is going to be their image, that is going to be displayed. Similarly, for the second image also, boy.ga, this image is taken, its height is 50, width is 50, and again on mouse top, that particular p2 image is going to be displayed, that is going to be coming from 25 pixel from top to 50 pixel from the left. Okay, so again on the mouse out, the original image is going to be displayed. Similarly for the top 3, that is if we are taking our mouse onto our p3 image, then that image is going to be displayed, which is again from 50 to 75. Okay, and if you just move out the mouse, that is mouse over, then it is going to display our original image. Okay, so this is how our output is going to be look, that is when the image is on this particular image, then the solid blue color outline figure is going to display. And similarly, if I'm taking my mouse on this, it is going to display the other image, p2 image. And if I'm going to take the mouse on this background, that is red color of border, it is going to display the red color border image. Okay, so let me see its execution, that is here. Okay, so this is my p1 image. Okay, it is started from top 0 to left 0. Okay, so when my mouse is on this kids playing image is going to be displayed. Okay, so next I'm going to take the mouse on second, that is para 2 p2 image, where I said that there will be red solid border. Okay, will be there for that image. And when I'm going to take my mouse on this p2, it is going to display that entire p2 image, that is top 25 and left how much, 50. Okay, then after taking out mouse onto the next, it is going to display my original image. Okay, so similarly here also, then p3 image I'm going to click, so it is going to be coming from top left, top 50 to left 75. Okay, it's going to begin. Okay, so here the girl's image is going to be displayed. And if slightly if I take the mouse over, then whichever image I'm going to click, whichever index, that index image is going to be displayed. Okay, so this is what exactly we are going to do into our third lab program. Okay, I hope you got the concept. Thank you.